Good afternoon. My name is Ariel Hollingsworth. I'm a part of the Upsilon chapter of Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. I attend Southern University at New Orleans. I am a junior studying social work with a double minor in drug and substance abuse and business admin. And I am the vice president of the chapter, as well as a part of various other social work organizations on campus. I think what was most impactful about today's workshop was the message that the guest speaker had, which was different tips on how to matriculate through college. But I think what was even more impactful was how he went about executing it. The reason being is because a lot of the times we have a lot of thoughts of things that we want to manifest or bring to fruition. However, a lot of the times they just remain thoughts due to just, the hustles and bustles of life and other responsibilities. And sometimes those thoughts get lost. The way the speaker went about executing it was having them write down their visions. And I think it's easier to execute your vision or manifest your thoughts when they are right in front of you. Something new I learned today was that I have more power as a student than I believe. I know a lot of the times, us as students, we feel like we have no voice. We feel like nobody's listening to us. And honestly, sometimes we feel like nobody cares about our wants or our needs, about our college experience or how to make our college experience better. However, because of the guest speaker, we found out that that's not true. As students, a lot of these people wouldn't have jobs, a lot of these buildings wouldn't be made, a lot of things wouldn't take place on campus if it wasn't for the students. So understanding that we have more power than folks like to let us believe, I think was a great message and something that I definitely hold dear and put active moving forward. I think the best way that I could use what I learned today to be the most successful is just taking accountability. Really taking accountability for my college experience, what it is that I want to see on campus, how it is that I want my campus to look, and take ownership, right? Take ownership in that. This is my campus, and I should treat it and respect it as such, as well as promote it to people to do the same. So I definitely think that understanding that this is my campus and taking accountability to bring it to the place that I want it to be is for sure the best word. Yes, without a doubt. I have no hesitation in that. They definitely should bring Brother Fred Johnson through. The reason being is because I feel like he's close enough to connect with both audiences from various age ranges, right? He's like in that small gap of in between where he's not too old, but he's not necessarily like too young, where he could connect with the younger folks, but also get the older folks to hear our voice and understand what it is that we're saying. As well as I love the way he engages with his audience, making them right, making them respond back to him. I definitely think it's a effective way to get any message across. So anybody would be lucky to have it, for sure.